So we've changed the geometry, the way it cuts. We've reinforced the cutting edge. It's got a new VH4 grade, which enables it to cut in a much higher load. We've optimised the flute lengths as well, and with all of these features, it means that we can feed 100% faster than a standard thread mill. There's a lot of features and benefits within it over a standard thread mill that I feel is something that everyone should be giving a go.
So Dan, we're here at CIS in High Wycombe. We've had quite an exciting demo here, isn't it? The brilliantly named MACH thread milling. Tell us about it, please.
Yeah, as you say, thank you very much to CIS PPC in High Wycombe for letting us use the machines. It's a good help to just prove out what we're doing today. Yeah, we've got the new MACH thread mills, which we're discussing today. These are something I feel completely different to anything else on the market at the moment. There's a lot of features and benefits within it over a standard thread mill that I feel is something that everyone should be giving a go.
Yeah, it's quite a lot quicker than most other thread mills in the marketplace, isn't it? How's that achieved?
So we've changed the geometry, the way it cuts. We've reinforced the cutting edge. It's got a new VH4 grade, which enables it to cut in a much higher load. We've optimised the flute lengths as well, and with all of these features, it means that we can feed 100% faster than a standard thread mill. The core diameter is larger, again to reinforce it so it can take the load of the higher feed rate, and this in turn means that we can save 60% on your machining times, which is a huge benefit to everyone at the moment.
Yeah, what we're seeing in this video is a standard tool, a competitor's tool run at recommended data,
yes,
against your new MACH tool at, again, recommended data.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, we've tried to just show the differences between what can be achieved at these higher feed rates. It's obviously a huge improvement, and when people are trying to reduce cycle times in the present day, it's something that we feel offers any machine shop a large advantage over the standard thread milling.
And many people may say running that quick, it might be detrimental to tool life, but I believe it's not.
It's exactly right, yeah. It's 25% increase as an average in tool life over a standard tool. So you're saving on the cycle times and you're increasing on your tool life. So another good feature is we have added an additional flute on the MACH thread mills over the standard types, again for higher feed rates. And stock levels with us, it's all going to be UK stock available for next day delivery. So ready, available for anyone that wants to give it a go.
Vargus UK, you've got a big footprint now here in the UK. You know, how are the stock levels and you know, and how do people learn more about this product and get it on their machine?
So every single item in the MACH range is now available on the Vargus GENius software, which is a free software that anyone can download and use. It's used by an awful lot of people to help, and with the thread milling side of things, it actually generates a usable thread milling program for you. And we feel that with the MACH stuff, it's all on there. Everything that you need is available to get your speeds and your feeds for the new product, and just instantly sort of plug and play with the program really, put it into your machine, press go, and get a nice finished part.